You tell me, you're like Moses? What is that?
No, I didn't say Moses.
But you look like one.
Why?
Because you have a stick.
Oh, like this? It's like this is what Moses has.
Yeah. And then the
It turns into a snake.
the shovel in your head.
Huh? So, sword? Sword in the head.
Kaya raman! Kaya ra ni Jeddah, oy!
Do you want the stick?
No. Come on. Let's go up. Pagod ka na?
Ayoko sa tayo.